Hi guys, new video for you here tonight. This one is going to be on this little critter, the Aea Key Trainer Proficiency Program, Kt-2. There's a little bit of information online about this one. It's a programmable unit. It's a bit menu driven. You got a bunch of keys in here to make it do things. But the volume control hardly wants to work on this one, unless I got it like pretty much on crank. It might do something, but on the lower scale it does absolutely nothing. It needs a good scrub, so I think I might give her a wash while I'm at it. But let's have a little I'll plug the adapter in here. You have a little see if I can't get this thing to do something other than look at us. Plugs in power here. You really need a manual. Need a manual to program the right keys. But so you see how so I'm going to try and clean the volume control on this thing. Or I might even replace this, who knows. I got some contact cleaner here. Good stuff. I got a little squirt left there. Might be enough to do this one, I don't know. But let's have a look. I already removed the legs. This one is serial number 626. So it's pretty low. And it was picked up by Gene. And then we got the inside. That was inspected by Kensen or something? What do you think? Inspected by. Not exactly sure. So, looks like the speaker was just glued in by the looks of it. It goes over here to the board. And it looks like the volume control might have been changed. There's some pretty ratty solder on that. Let's just desolder here. Let's desolder this. Let me have a look. So here's the solder. That's the on and off switch. And let me turn the LED light on. There we go. There's some light on the subject. Pretty rough solder there, eh? Looks like that control there was that's been replaced before by the looks of it. A few components inside. I don't know if I can actually clean this or not. It depends if I can remove the key. If I can remove this keypad without damaging anything, I'll scrub this cover, clean it up. But let's see. See if I remove the knob first. I'm going to need a torque, of course. course, it's going to be a torque. Oh, it's going to be anything else, only a torque. That's the one we need right there. Put pliers on it, give myself a bit. There we go. There's a couple of them out. A couple set screws. Let's remove the knob. See how far we can get into this without hurting or damaging anything. Should be able, I'm thinking, if I take these, let me see, if I take 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws, 4 screws, should be able to get this board out. Let's have a whirl. A whirl, see what happens. No screws on the front to take out, so take this screw out. Hey, look, the whole thing should come out of this, I'm thinking. Anyway. Looks like, okay, so the keypad is kept in with friction. Alright, so the keypad will come out. Looks like I might have to take this guy. Might have to take the volume control out. Might have to take him out. I'm thinking I might have to take him out. Unless I can get this. Let me see. Something is definitely holding here. What is holding here? What is this? Oh, okay, I see. Keypad is on a plug. This is plugged in. This keypad got a plug on this side that plugs in over here. Looks like there's a plug in. Where's it soldered in? Hard to say. That might actually be soldered. That's soldered. Yeah, it might actually be soldered. Looks like I'm going to have to take this guy out. Looking that way. If I can. There's no screw over here, so no screws on the front, no screws on the back anywhere else. So it's a friction fit. Interesting. somewhere. I think we're getting somewhere, boys. Maybe. Maybe getting somewhere. Alright, we got her out. Alright. Here's the guts of it. I don't know if the keypad is plugged in. That looks like it's plugged in. There we go. So the keypad can be removed. It's just plugged in. There we go. Now we can see everything here. Now we can see the board. Alright. Very cool. What's this chip that's over here? What's this chip? SC80445P. That one must be everything's programmed under that chip, I would say. That's my guess. Voltage regulator right there. LM34DT. Got a crystal. What's the crystal's frequency? 4.000. That's the crystal there. Anyway. Cool. Not much to her though. Anyway, let's have a look at this switch plate. Quite grimy. So I'm going to bring this in to the bath or the washroom now. We're going to give this a little scrub. Give her a scrub. So I'll be right back. Okay, just cleaning this control here. There's liquid in the can, but the can's almost empty, so I get more air than I am liquid out of it. Looks like a smoker may own this. At one point, it's getting easier to move. Oh yeah, that's actually getting a lot easier to move. Alright, we got that done, and I cleaned off took the hot water and scrubbing brush to the front cover. The lettering actually looks white now instead of yellow. Just give it a scrub inside and out. Now, let's see if we can get this back together. I like to clean off the buttons there, but that's a sealed unit. Kind of afraid to even touch it. I don't know if you can put the contact cleaner on that or not. Sealed unit, so I don't know. Didn't seem to be any issue with it. So see if we can't get this thing back together again. apart was bad enough. Yeah. This side is front end. There we go. I think. Yeah. Keypad to sit in there. What are you getting this keypad to go in there or something else? Right now that's what's holding it. There we go. Oh, she's in there. So kind of what you got to do with this is you got to take this apart. You kind of got to take the front and kind of pull it a little bit in order to do this. Anyway, let's get the screws put back in it. And the one in the back. That one there, gotta go in. Ah, it's in there. I'm going to touch up these solder joints because they look like absolute crap. They look like absolute shit. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it looks like absolute fucking garbage. There we go. How's that? What do you think? That looks better, eh? Yeah. Solder the speakers back in. But, let me see. Do I got a speaker here that I can plug in? Nah. That solder's going back in. Solder this back in there again. Alright. Alright, let's give her power. See if she's any better. See if she feels better or worse. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright. Yeah. Let's put the knob back on. Actually, I say we give the knob a little scrub. What do you think? I'll be right. Alright, don't that look better? Huh? Nice and shiny. Yeah. A bit, move it down a little bit. Alright. Put the feet back on. You got a lot of screws in there or what? Screws definitely need to be a bit longer. Apparently they're not long enough. Alright. Now, let's see if we can't find a manual for this, and see if we can't get it to send some code. So let's see if I can find a manual right quick. The manual is easy to find on Google. Just type in Aea Kt-2 and you'll get the manual for this very easily. Power, paddle, straight key, headphones, transmitter, keyer, send, trainer mode. There we go. So press star 605 and then that's star 620 for starting speed 5 words a minute, ending speed 20. Oh my lord. I say she's menu driven. Let's see. Let's see if we make this. Alright. Let's see. So let's go. Let's turn her off, start over. So press star 605 and star 620 for starting speed of 5 RPM, or RPM, Jesus, words per minute, and ending speed of 20 words per minute. Press star 70, star 5 for practice, duration of 5 minutes. Alright, let's just do this. So turn it off. I don't know if it's taking it or not. And then star 70 pound 5. And a star pound. I don't think somebody keypad's not working. Anyway, you guys get the idea. So that is the AEA Keyer Trainer Proficiency Program KT2. On the back panel we have output, key plus, key minus, headphone jacks, and paddle. And of course, made in the USA. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video on the AEA Kt-2. Hey folks, 738, and we'll chat you in the next video. All the best.